TechCorr Asset Integrity Management Solutions. Precision protection for your assets. TechCorr offers storage tank inspection. Avoid catastrophic failures with our drones, and MFL can be performed offline, and our robotic UT scanners can be performed online, where no draining or scaffolding is needed. Our inspections are API compliant, with design construction as per API 650 and in-service inspections as per API 653. We also promote the use of VisualAIM's asset monitoring dashboards, which can help clients better manage their facilities well beyond the original design interval. Pipeline integrity, from piggable lines to challenging corridors. Guided wave ultrasonics, automated UT smart pigs, screen 100+ meters per day, targeting stress corrosion cracking, wall loss, and weld defects. Our inspections are NACE certified, and our technicians are ASNT and API QTE certified. Exchanger inspection. Stop leaks before they escalate. IRIS, RFT, and NFT inspect tubes or supports without dismantling. IRIS and RFT for general shells or tubes. And NFT for air cooler fin fan tubes, helping clients cut unplanned shutdowns by 40% based on average shutdown data. Our marine inspection is ABS and DNV compliant and delivers ROV ultrasonics, 3D laser scans audits for FPSOs, LNG carriers, and ballast tanks. Mainline pipeline construction NDE. Our inspection team uses AUT girth weld scanners and real-time radiography, RTR, to deliver instant pass or fail results at pipeline construction weld seams, 60% faster than manual UT. Process. Facility inspections. API 580 or 581 SATRI-aligned risk-based inspection RBI programs prioritize assets such as flare stacks, reactors, and piping. Once risk is quantified, we deploy the appropriate NDE technologies, POT, TOFD, corrosion mapping, digital RT, IR thermography, etc., to execute the inspection plan. VisualAIM's EAM Software. Our partner offers your plant digital twin dashboards, consolidates inspection reports, corrosion maps, and audit trails in one cloud platform. Ready to future-proof your assets? Ask also about our rope access capabilities for your next inspection. Book a free integrity audit today. Email info@techcorr.com.